In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a header row in Google Sheets. This is a super handy tool, especially when you're working with a large data set, as it allows your column headings to remain visible while you scroll through your sheet. Let's jump right into how you can easily set up a header row. Start by opening your Google Sheet, where you want to create your header row. Direct your attention to the top left corner of your sheet. You will notice a grey bar there. This grey bar is a crucial part of freezing your header row. It stands like a frame around your spreadsheet, indicating where specific changes, like freezing, can be applied. Now, take a close look at this grey bar, and you'll spot a slightly darker grey bar nestled at the bottom of it. It might appear as if this darker bar casts a shadow over the lighter grey section, helping it stand out for quick visibility. This feature is essentially your control for freezing rows and columns, making it incredibly useful for locking in those all-important header rows. With your cursor, hover over this darker shade on the grey bar, and you'll notice that the cursor changes into a hand icon. This transformation indicates that you are ready to interact with this part of the menu. Once you've got the hand, you can click and hold, ready to drag the grey bar's shadow downwards. Let's say you want to set the very first row as your header row. You'll do this by dragging the bar from its resting place directly below this first line. You may release it once the top of the bar aligns, just under row 1. And voila! You've successfully set row 1 as the designated header row. This simple move will freeze the row, making it always visible at the top of your spreadsheet. It's an especially nifty trick for staying organized, ensuring that no matter how far you scroll down your data, your headers are right there showing you the way. Now, as you scroll down the rest of your sheet, you'll observe that your header row remains fixed in place. This provides a constant view of your column labels, which can drastically simplify navigating through your data. By following this straightforward process, you've made your Google Sheets far more user-friendly and effective for quick data analysis. Whether you're collaborating with a team or hammering out a personal project, understanding how to manipulate this feature optimizes your workflow. Thanks for tuning in to learn this essential skill. Enjoy navigating your Google Sheets with this new convenience.